Tired of manually customizing the same documents over and over again? I'm going to show you how to use Docusign templates to blast out consistent, pre-designed documents to multiple recipients, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. First, log into your Docusign account. Now, navigate to the Templates section in the top navigation bar. If you don't already have a template created, you'll need to create one first, but for this example, let's assume you have a template ready to go, like a standard contract. Find the template you want to use from your list of templates. Hover over the template. A Use button will appear. Click on Use. This will initiate a new envelope using your selected template. Now it's time to add your recipients. Enter the name and email address for each person who needs to sign the document. You can add multiple recipients. Customize the email subject and message if you want to. This message will be included in the email sent to all recipients. Once you've added all the recipients and customized your message, simply click the Send button. Docusign will then send the document to each recipient for their signature. You can track the progress of your sent document in the Manage tab, where you can see who has signed and who still needs to take action. That's it. You've successfully sent a Docusign template to multiple recipients.